Hey friends, if you wish to make Windows 11 Start Menu and Taskbar black without using the dark theme, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Personalization tab. We have light themes and dark themes here. Instead of using the theme, go to Colors, and then there is an option for mode. You can change it to dark mode. Okay, and this will make everything dark. And if you wish to create it to custom, then you can change it such that Windows is dark, in which taskbar and start menu will be in dark, and the apps and everything will be in light color. As you can see, the settings app is in light color, but the taskbar is in dark color. So you can modify it accordingly. You can also make it opposite. You can make it dark. So you can make the apps dark, and you can make Windows light. You can do anything that you want to. I was just giving an example for the dark mode, but you can choose whatever option you want to. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.